Situated in the heart of southern Germany, Memmingen is a city rich in history with a scenic old town. Its well-preserved old town with narrow streets and colorful houses invites exploration and discovery. The numerous courtyards, patrician houses, and fortification in its old town are well worth seeing. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Memmingen should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Memmingen. The railway station is about 5-minute walk away from the town center. The town center is small enough to walk to all places of interest in the city. Memmingen is well known as the place where the writing of 12 Peasants articles and the federal order took place. This was the first constitutional assembly in Germany. Today, Memmingen is a popular tourist destination with its important sites in the historic old town, weekly markets, and attractive shopping opportunities, and a varied specialties from various restaurants and cafes. The market square is surrounded by various impressive buildings such as the town hall, the town parish church of St. Martin, and the Kramer Guild fountain. Walking through the narrow streets and across the market square will take you back to the Middle Ages. St. Martin's Church is one of Memmingen's iconic highlight. It was built between 1325 and 1500, making it one of the oldest buildings in the town. The medieval basilica impresses with its numerous well-preserved work of art such as the elaborately carved Gothic choir stalls and the well-preserved frescoes. The highlight of the building is the church tower. It measures 66 meters, making it the tallest building in the city. In Memmingen, you will find well-maintained water streams flowing within the city. A place known as Stadtbach is totally an eye-catcher. A walk along the Stadtbach in Memmingen is an absolute must. You will find small cozy restaurants and cafes with outside tables directly beside the stream. You can even find ducks playful on the water. As I continued to explore the city's hidden gems, I came across a particular area where a bronze cat statue is erected directly on the picturesque Memmingen city stream in the southern part of the city center. It is intended to commemorate the well-known city cat Chico. With a church tower reflected on the water, creates a beautiful Instagrammable background, a picture-perfect area that is only unique in Memmingen. The area offers a picturesque walking paths and a tranquil water, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll. As I continue to walk towards the church area, a beautiful stream flowing along the side of the houses adorned with beautiful flowers catches my attention. It offers a peaceful pause away from the busy city center. It is where you can unwind and enjoy nature. The city walls and historic buildings offer a glimpse into the city's rich history. The city is nicknamed the City of Gates, Towers, and Gables. The historic district town also offers unique historical attractions like gates and towers. Indeed, Memmingen is a beautiful town with a rich history and cultural sites that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Visit this old town and let yourself be transformed back in time. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the city even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!